How to turn on sleep mode on Instagram. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're showing you how to turn on sleep mode on Instagram. Sleep mode on Instagram is a feature designed to help you focus and set healthy boundaries with your social media use. With sleep mode enabled, you won't be bothered by any pings or alerts, allowing you to get a good night's sleep. So to turn on sleep mode on Instagram, first open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. In the top right corner, tap the 3 horizontal lines to open the Settings menu. From the Settings menu, look for Notifications, then tap on it. Under Notification Settings, look for Quiet Mode and tap on it. Turn on the toggle switch. This will activate sleep mode. Tap on Start Time and set the time you usually go to bed. Then, do the same for End Time when you typically wake up. Below the times, you'll see the days of the week. Tap on the days you want sleep mode to be active. That's it! With sleep mode enabled, you can finally get the rest you deserve. And this is how to turn on sleep mode on Instagram. If you have any questions about sleep mode on Instagram, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching! If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.